track storms to alert you first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
So earlier today at around 5:30, that was when we had this short yet powerful storm system push right through Rochester. Came with some hail, strong winds. We have a whole bunch of pictures of the damage that it caused in Rochester on KIMT.com. A lot of trees in a historic part of Rochester just pushed right over.
Yeah, I mean, it was a really wild storm. I mean, you saw the wind, you saw the small hail and some very heavy rainfall, and the wind gusts were actually up to near 60 miles per hour in Rochester. So we saw what happened with that.
It was wild there for a bit.
Yeah, and thankfully the storms are clearing out of here. We are done with those for tonight. We got some quieter conditions for tonight and tomorrow. And it was a very warm day, a lot of warmth, some humidity around, and that was the fuel for those showers and storms that we saw earlier this afternoon into the evening hours. We made it up to 84 in Rochester, 85 in Mason City, 84 in Austin, and almost 90 in Algona. So some toasty temperatures to the south and west, and that is a sign of what we have in store for the day tomorrow. It is going to be a bit warmer, highs into the upper 80s, and maybe somebody hitting 90 degrees for your Wednesday afternoon. But let's take a look back at what we had in Rochester today. We had that storm that moved through. Yeah, this is right around 5:43. Can't really even see downtown because of the just torrential rainfall coming through, and then things cleared up pretty quickly. We got some clear skies, and notice looking towards the south here, this is from downtown Rochester. Those are the storms that were in North Iowa heading towards the Decorah area. So some pretty pretty tall storms up to about 40,000 feet. Those cleared out of here, and we are seeing quieter conditions for the rest of tonight. Looking at satellite and radar, the storms have moved through the area. Those have pushed off to the south and west. Did produce some hail and some high wind reports around Rochester. Grand Meadow, we had that report of about golf ball size hail. So thankfully that's all over for tonight. And we got clear skies for you. 65 degrees in downtown Rochester. North wind is at 7 miles per hour. As we look live over Mason City, looking towards the south, waiting for a few flashes of some lightning off in the distance. Some thunderstorms still just well south of Mason City, heading towards the Waterloo area. In North Iowa, we got 68 degrees for you. Winds are to the north-northwest at 7 miles per hour, and temperatures are going to stay rather pleasant for the next several hours. We got clear skies, temperatures in the 60s, but we are dropping down to the upper 50s for tonight. So it is going to be a cool night. And the other thing to talk about is going to be the potential for some areas of fog to develop as we go through the overnight hours, especially for those that had some rain with the storm. So what you're looking at here, 7 o'clock in the morning, a little bit of fog across far southeast Minnesota, Rochester to Preston, Cresco, Decorah, more likely than areas a little bit further to the west. So we will have that in play for tomorrow morning. It burns off pretty quickly with all that sunshine we have in store for tomorrow. So looking at mostly sunny skies and temperatures, yeah, going to be pretty toasty for tomorrow. For tonight, though, patchy fog, 58 degrees. And then for your Wednesday, looking at mostly sunny skies, high right around 88 degrees, a little breezy. Southeast winds about 15 to 25 miles per hour. And then for your Thursday, we got 87 degrees, chance for a few more thunderstorms coming in, especially as we get into late Thursday evening, Thursday night. And then quieter conditions over Saturday and Sunday for the holiday weekend. We got sunshine for you, but 4th of July, maybe a little bit iffy with a chance for some thunderstorms and a high of 84.